How, are you helping in the house? How about the girls in the house? Do you share work together? When your sister is overloaded, can you take a part that let me iron the clothes or let me wash the clothes and do the other things so that we go to school together? Please wake up. We have a war to fight. We have finished the war. We haven't finished the war yet. We have to work hard and fight against this poverty. Fight against this no food in the house. We cannot rely always on relief. We want also to relieve others. As we were helped in the past, it's time now for us to help others. Please, my fellow citizens, wake up, especially boys. Young men, wake up. Let us make a change in 2013. Now to the artists. I'm so happy with your songs. Even though I don't understand some language, but I feel it. Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm a teacher and I like moving, but I will. Okay. Now I'm appealing to the artists to please compose songs, as Honorable Beatrice put it. Songs about development, songs about peace, songs about education, songs about agriculture, songs about equality. And the theme of this year, as His Excellency have put it, the President, is agriculture. Let us fight the hunger this year. I want everyone to participate. Start cultivation in your houses, small fields, vegetable gardens. We want this market to be full, to be filled with our things that are cultivated. As Jonglei State were #1 in agriculture exhibition, we want this to be put in action so that 2013 we will be the most and the best in serving food, and we can give food to other people who are needy. Please, I don't want to take my time. I want us to hear more songs. Put this in your minds. Sing a song. I am a singer too, but I don't want to sing now. I will sing one day. To end my speech, I appeal to all of us to make a change. Change cannot come from one person. Change comes from all of us. Let's put this in action. To make change. Let the change come from Jonglei State. If the liberation broke out here, let the change come out and make a new development. And God bless you all.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Now, as acting Minister of Youth, I want all of us to encourage this group here. They say there's a program of Harambee. All of us who have come here, we are supposed to pay money there at the door, but we did not pay it. Now is our turn. Look into your pocket. Bring out whatever is there, and please put this Harambee so that they will compose more songs. I talked to Radio Mariah. I made interview that why are we singing songs from East Africa? Why not our songs? We have beautiful songs here. And also, I'm sorry I could have said this earlier. We miss our best singer, Miss Teresa Nyankole. She must also be brought back with songs. And then my other best singer, Miss Ayo Madilo, where is she? How do you call her? Yes, I don't see her here. She should be here with you, especially in such occasions. Yeah, please call her next time. So please contribute to this committee, to Jama, and God bless.
Oh, thank you very much. Of course, let's clap to Honorable Minister of Social Child and Gender Welfare in Jonglei State. And of course, has mentioned something very good, in which it was not in our heart, but she has just mentioned because the word was put across by. So we cannot be able to say anything about Arambe, and I would like to give myself guitar, before that she's about to say something, of course.
Sorry, I was reminded. They say charity starts from home. This is my home. As a Minister of Gender, Child and Social Welfare, and Acting Minister of Youth, I don't know what to say. My contribution is 2,000, and God bless.
Oh, thank you very much, Jama, 2,000 from the Ministry of Social Child and Gender Welfare. And of course, you've heard, you guys, we can't even say anything wrong or anything good to the people. But you want to say something?
Sorry for the second round. We cannot bring the box in, we put it down and we say Harambe. Lano Finas Ketir Bugul Pananin Kuch music, Ashan Grush. That is why we don't put the box down here. But what we have done today is actually very marvelous. Naina Kander Namul shows a show like this in Rumbek, a show like this in Awil, a show like this in Kwajok, in the Eastern Equatoria, Central Equatoria, and even in Western Equatoria, and beyond the Republic of South Sudan. So if you have your own contribution, you can write a paper, put it on a paper, you give it to the MC. But we cannot bring the box and we put it down here and we say, here's all push to £1 la. Finas Ketir good in Gurush. We have our own money. You can see I'm smart. The musicians are all smart. Yes, we have our own money. Thank you very much.
Of course, you have heard, we the artists, we are not beggars. We are all working class citizens. I am working and all the others are working. So we cannot beg from people, but in case of Arambe, in case of any contribution, some people who may contribute down there, we cannot bring the book and put it down because we are not beggars. Okay, that's what I can say. So thank you very much for your contribution, for those who are contributing. And now I'm going to give chance to, we have 4 artists coming next, and we have heard before from the Deputy Minister of Telecommunication and Social Services in South Sudan that you need to hear some more songs. We have 25% coming next now. She's going to sing right here on the stage. But before that, I would like to invite Chola Cage. Okay, in case of any inconvenience, we are going to change generator from the small one to the big one when the power is stopped later on. So, but before that one, we are going to give this chance to Chola Akage, the artist, and he's new here. So we Jama, when you invite a visitor to your home, you are not the better person to eat, and you leave the visitor not to eat. So you have seen all the artists, they are just staying, they don't sing, but they are giving chance to the new artists who are coming in. So we have our new artist, Chola Akage, and we have our 25%, Nairus, she's down there. We have our brother, also he's a visitor right here, and he's from Anuak. Ted Stephen, he's also down there, and BJ Jackson. These are all the visitors coming next. So don't worry, and it is now your time to take over. And Nairus, you have to come and install me on the stage. You stay here. And after this, we are going to have the final speech from Deputy Governor, and Deputy Governor will welcome His Excellency the Governor of Jonglei State.
I must say, I'm sorry for that. I'm not Chola Cage, Chola Code. Yo, Sidhu, I'm back to the story with my life backstory. The gun ricocheting and the bullet got thrown. The bomb fell around and the village was blown. This kind of great life, I've been living like a lord. The torture that I've seen send me up on a rocket. Before the next game, I'll be rocking any show. Having gone into exile, come back for the show. I'm coming from far, from exile. So Cyrus, this song has a strong message. Separation the best for the Southerners. We go.
Hey, you know now fight for a long time. Let's go separation, let's unite to struggling for the new life. Hey, you know now fight for a long time. Let's go separation, let's unite to struggling for the new life.
I'm a son of Sudan, oh body board. I place with the top people, those you can see. With the mag on the head and shady the waist. I've been suffering for more than 21 years. But right now I got back to life. But you know what? God saw me the light. I remember the day when I was born in the bush, my people, they spare my people. But they were really bad and back to home. On that day forward, I wish I born somewhere. But right now, I'm gonna change my mind. As you see when I hold the mic, all our fans have gone crazy. Southside niggas can make this happen. I see no change.
Hey, you know now fight for a long time. Let's go separation, let's unite to struggling for the new life. Hey, you know now fight for a long time. Let's go separation, let's unite to struggling for the new life.
I'm a Southside boy, see my country Sudan, and I'm more in the land of the beautiful joys. So let's change to begin for the beautiful life. We need a best, I'ma need it either better but right. And I'm proud of my skin, I'm a real Sudan. We need a best separation in the life for all. Only new life, man, is what we need. Be straight to the point and be aside. Both fight for long and we fight for right. To up our whole now South Sudan.
Hey, you know now fight for a long time. Let's go separation, let's unite to struggling for the new life. Hey, you know now fight for a long time. Let's go separation, let's unite to struggling for the new life.
Thank you, John, for the work you did. It's still nobody, it's still number one. Come on, let me show, I'm gonna show you my home. It's a beautiful joy and so glad. I believe and trust in my country Sudan for the peace and light you've given to me. I've changed now, I've changed a lot, I've changed for good. If you look at me now, I'm a Southside boy with black skin and proud of it. As you see when I hold the mic, all our fans have gone crazy. Southside niggas can make this happen.
Hey, you know now fight for a long time. Let's go separation, let's unite to struggling for the new life. Hey, you know now fight for a long time. Let's go separation, let's unite to struggling for the new life. Hey, you know now fight for a long time. Let's go separation, let's unite to struggling for the new life. Hey, you know now fight for a long time. Let's go separation, let's unite to struggling for the new life.
Southside does, Sudu Makin, Yerobi, push, push.
DJ. No.
Okay. So people are really interested to hear some more songs from you, but we're going to give you 2 songs at a go. We are still going to flow later on, but now it is time for... Okay, I would like to request all the artists to move backward, because when we stay there, all of us, we're going to disorganize our system. So can we go back all? Leave that space, go back to your normal position. Now without wasting time, Nairu's 25%. We are going to help a lady right now. For you to know that ladies are also very active, she's going to sing a beautiful track. All right, are you ready? Oh, I wait, yeah? So I can wait for a long time, of course, because the time is against me. And I would like to recognize the presence of DJ Jackson. DJ Jackson is down there. If you are down there, please be patient. I'm going to give you only... but Nairus, the time is really out. Time is really out. Okay, I would like to recognize Teddy Steven. Teddy Steven, if you are down there, come and arrange your track because the time is really against.
Okay, first of all I want to thank all of you and recognize the presence of His Excellency the Governor. I have to admit that it's my first time to see him. I just want to ask one thing before I play my song. I want to greet him if he would allow me, because it's my first time to see him. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah, so though I'm new here in Jungle, this is my home actually, but I'm very happy to be here with my fellow youth, and I have only one song. I will not take your time, so I hope you will enjoy it. So please, DJ. I'm very sorry, he reminded me of something. I didn't introduce myself. My name is Tech Steven, and as he said, I'm from Newark, from Akobo community. Thank you very much. Okay, this one is called Audio Mambo Live. Okay, if you can just move, everyone you can just بيلعبوا علينا ناس كلهم بيتقرجوها إنت لوني روبينيها تعالي شان تلبانيها عشان هنا في بنات بيليقوا إنت لو مالي روانينا بطوريو ألعب فاسا ألعب ماسكي ونوم خلي وسقو هنا في دانسي ألعب فاسا ألعب ماسكي ونوم خلي وسقو هنا في دانسي Move to the left with the hands in the air Back to the right like you just don't care Drop to the A right now to turn up the bass in the club Move to the left with the hands in the air Back to the right like you just don't care Drop to the A right now to turn up the bass in the club أقوتاي وأقوتاي تعال دون كده إن ألم أنا بلد لحد نهار ما في زول شان يقول هو أنا جسم تحكي كده هزو جسم تحكي كده نتو جسم تحكي كده جري جسم تحكي كده وجا Move to the left now with your hands up back to the right and lady back it up this is the new dance up in the club shake and take it to the top your body is making me tempted to touch I wanna rock you slowly without a rush she told me to come for the busy body so I can give her some yuri you making me horny I wanna do this up in jacuzzi man I love this I can't fall in love just because of the dance but right about now I got nothing but a chance you see this one look at that one they all look hot but I just need one when they jiggle it wiggle it and they tickle it they make my body so sick and then I feel move to the left with the hands in the air back to the right like you just don't care talk to the A right now to turn up the bass in a girl move to the left with the hands in the air back to the right like you just don't care talk to the A right now to turn up the bass in a girl أقوتاي وأقوتاي تعال قوم كده نعلم أنا فيلم لحد نهار ما في زول شان يقول هو أنا جسم تحكي كده هزو جسم تحكي كده نتو جسم تحكي كده جري جسم تحكي كده وجا أقوتاي وأقوتاي وينو يتكون دكرجوا أنا فتشو أنا مانيو بني يسمى زي تفجوا وينو يتكون يا جماعة دالو أنا بوليسكم الليلي عشان تآمن بإنه السودان ومسارة كبير نقول إيو what I can show إيو Mr. DJ push music hurry up push music it's hard push music hurry up push music it's hard move to the left